Hey guys, had a interesting cookbook I pulled out of the attic and from the 60s, and an interesting recipe I found. Squirrel cakes, and calls for 3 squirrels, some breadcrumb, ketchup. They call it catsup, and mashed potatoes. Squirrel cakes. Make sure you parboil your squirrels. Salt water. Remove the good meat. Grind the meat, breadcrumbs, onions, catsup, mashed potato, mix well, shape into small flat cakes, and saute in hot bacon fat until well browned. Serves 4. There's your squirrel cake, guys. If you want to move up in the world, you get some squirrel chowder, southern fried squirrel. You got squirrel hunter stew. Wow, huh? And cream squirrel. No, that sounds like a French dish here. Squirrel with white wine. And this is from an old book I found. Wild Game Cookbook. Upland, small land, waterfowl, big game. They're all cute, aren't they?